Hi, we're back in the woods after a long break for winter. Couldn't be happier. And today I'm bringing you something that's still a little hearty, so it's good for those shoulder seasons or just when you've really been working hard all day and you need a hearty dinner. It's a spicy Vietnamese broth with noodles and it is delicious. It also has chicken in it, so let's do it. To a pot on the fire, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of oil. And then about 1.5 pounds of chicken cubed. So into our pot we're going to add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of hot sauce, more if you like it hotter, less if you don't, and 2 tablespoons of honey. Alright, to this we're going to add 3 cups of chicken stock. Now I just take a stock cube with me and mix it with water, but if you prefer a chicken broth, that works too. Put the lid on and let it simmer for 10 minutes. Okay, after 10 minutes, we're gonna add our instant noodles. I use 2 packets for 4 people, but you could probably add more if you have more people. If you're cooking this at home, you could add garlic, you could add vegetables, fresh chilies if you like it a little hotter. Okay, we're gonna put the lid on and we're gonna cook that again for another 3 minutes. So at this point, you're probably thinking, why don't I just make the 2-minute noodles and throw chicken in it? And the reason is that you're better than that. And also, you deserve nice food when you're camping or just when you're out in the woods. And just taking these few extra steps really isn't that much effort, but you will be absolutely amazed at the taste that you produce. So why the vinegar? Well, if you really want a good umami flavor profile or a dish that's got complex, delicious taste that just makes you want to lick that spoon, then what you need to do is combine all the flavors. So we have the sour from vinegar, the sweet from the honey, and the salty from the soy sauce. And when you put that together with a little chili, oh man, it's so good. So stick with it, try it, just try it, and you will never eat 2-minute noodles the same again. Do you call them 2-minute noodles or do you call them instant noodles? Yeah, instant noodles?
Ramen.
Okay. Right, we're done. That looks great. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar. And then you are ready to dish it up. Right. Let's get some of that broth in there. That looks good. It smells fantastic. Alright, to top it off, this is voluntary, but I really love this. A little bit of green onion and chopped peanuts. And now you're ready to go. Look at that, it smells amazing. It's really hearty. That is a bowl of happiness right there. Thank Thank you for joining us. I love having you with us in the woods here, and if you like this video, please subscribe because we have got so many good recipes coming to you this spring. And we've got a new cookbook coming in the summer, so we've got lots of things to show you.